everybody, I'm Annie and this is Scott. We're going to show you properly how to use a shoe brush to keep your shoes in a good condition. So Scott is going to demonstrate on me.
So hopefully you all have a shoe brush. If you don't, you need one. It's good to revitalize the soles of your shoes so that you can keep the shoes longer and get a better investment out of your shoes. So after you've worn them for a while, the suede is going to get pretty matted on the bottom. So really easy. Make sure you start over a trash can. Easiest thing to do is just to go from the inside edge to the outside. And you can see, as soon as I start doing this, it doesn't take long before the suede starts popping up again. So just nice, short little strokes. You know, if you want to get creative, you can go the other way too. But the one way works well. And this is going to help preserve your shoes and keep you dancing in them longer.
And we have a special today. Usually our shoe brushes are $12, but today is a special, so it's going to be $10. So when you come in today, don't forget to get your shoe brush. And we'll see you on the dance floor.